Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate designs, transforming a simple drink into a delightful treat. We'll cover everything from basic garnishes to more intricate patterns, ensuring your creations are both delicious and visually stunning. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound hot chocolate artistry, making every cup a special occasion. Let's dive into the sweet world of hot chocolate design. Let's start with some easy topping ideas that make a big impact. Whipped cream is a classic, and a simple swirl can elevate any cup. Try drizzling chocolate or caramel sauce in a spiral or zigzag pattern for an artistic touch. Don't forget the power of sprinkles, mini marshmallows, or a dusting of cocoa powder to add both flavor and visual interest. These quick additions are perfect for everyday enjoyment. Ready to get a little more creative? Stencils are fantastic for adding detailed designs like hearts or stars using cocoa powder or cinnamon. For a touch of elegance, a tiny pinch of edible glitter or gold dust can make your hot chocolate truly shine. Consider layering different elements, perhaps a dollop of flavored whipped cream over a chocolate drizzle, to build a more complex and inviting presentation. These techniques add a professional flair. Finally, presentation is key to a memorable hot chocolate experience. Choose a beautiful mug or a clear glass to showcase your design. For an extra special touch, rim the glass with melted chocolate and then dip it in sprinkles or crushed peppermint. Remember, the goal is to make each cup feel unique and inviting. With these tips, your hot chocolate will not only taste amazing, but also look absolutely stunning every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.